So let's say I have a rectangular feature. So we want to have another profile that have different shapes than just rectangle. And we want to sketch somewhere here, and there is no plane here. So we need to construct another plane. One easiest way is to make an offset plane from the existing reference plane, in this case a front plane. If you want to construct another plane, you go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane. There are a couple of references you can choose from, but the simplest one is offset from the front plane, and you can specify distance you want to set. So let's say 200, and you can construct a plane. Or even easier one is you have this plane, you just grab the plane while pressing the Control key and drag it out, and you create this offset plane. Okay, so I set 200 millimeters, and I have the reference plane, and I'll use this plane, select the plane, create a sketch, and let's say making a polygon here. So let's say added a polygon, and this has to be horizontal. I can add a diagonal center line, and maybe this is in the middle of this diagonal line, and I want to add this diameter to be 70. So I have another sketch. Let's hide this plane, and I want to blend this together to create a solid body. So we go to Features, there's a Loft boss base, and I select a profile and select the first profile, but you have to be careful where you select it. If I, let's say, select right here, the connection between these two are the closest point where I selected, and these are kind of twisted, so you don't see any preview. So when you're selecting it, it is a good idea to select the matching point. So here and there, and then this point and matching that point, and it creates the solid. So as you can see here, the first sketch has 4 lines, and the second sketch has 6 lines. So the number of lines doesn't match, but it creates a solid.